Today I'm going to talk about how I used Premiere Pro when I was making my video. Okay, Premiere Pro is brilliant and it's got lots of different setups. So it's got assembly, editing, colour, effects, audio and meta-logging. I use primarily the first four, but most of the time I use assembly and effects. Okay, to start off I will just talk you through the areas. So here is my browser for all my different clips. Here's where all the clips are kept. And then I've got other things going on there. This just previews a clip if I wanted to watch it. Here it comes up there. And this is the preview of the timeline that I have below here. And these are all the different sequences I have open. And this is one for my clip. But if I go on effects, I get a different layout. And this one includes here, which has got all my visual effects and everything that I used when making it. Okay, I started off by importing all of these by going to File, then Import, and then I would just find the video that I wanted to import. So I want to import that one. There we go, and you just drag it along, and you have your video. I'm now going to talk about these tools. Okay, there's lots of different ones, but I use the razor, the rate stretch tool, and the selection tool. The selection tool selects, obviously. The razor tool I found really useful because it meant that you could be like, oh, I like that piece of clip there, but that woman is staring at me. I will just clip that, use the selection, and get rid of the rest. And then you just got the piece of clip you wanted. And using this, you could shorten it, make it longer, whatever you wanted to do. Okay, and the rate stretch tool would make things, let's see what that's done. It's made it really, really slow, and I can make it faster. Which was useful for things such as the time lapse at the beginning and the faster handshake that I put in and the slower handshake. There was a contrast between the two. Okay, so you got my thing in, and then obviously you use the different layers just to make sure they're all together. Okay, and another feature I use is when you open up the audience one, you can see, like, oh, let's just press play and I'll show you what happens. You can see when it gets the louder points and like the bigger notes. So then you could match up for the important moments to be at the important beat. So I'd be like, oh, I want something there. Oh, I want something there. Okay, there you go. Okay, I also use transitions, as you can see here. That's transition and that's a dip. So I went on effects. And then video effect, it's video transitions. And then, there you go, I can just pick any one of them. The one that I used primarily was the dip to black because that is it is a convention of trailers that they dip to black. Okay. Another feature I used for the end is the text. So I went File, New, and then just Title. You'd be like, and then you can just make your title whoever you want. And then it would be in most of your videos and you can just drag it on if you so wished. And it would be on there. Okay, when I was editing, I also used the fast colour correction. Oh, I don't know. This was because I wasn't advanced enough in Premiere Pro to use normal colour correction, so I used easier version there is. So you just drag it on to your thing, and then your file there, and then you see it comes up here in the effect controls. So that looks all a bit yellow to me, so I can see yellow there, and I can drag it a bit away from yellow, make it a bit icier. And then you can adjust saturation and make it duller. I did make all of my video duller, and you can just input levels, and so on and so forth. There's a whole heap of other tools on here, like the crop tool, where you can just drag it on. It should come up somewhere. There it is. So you can just be that. Show however much you want. I use it for my glitch effects, and then I just move the video, so then you just move it, and then you can see a glitch like that. I also use this to the size tool, so I can zoom in. So look, that's closer in on it. I didn't use any of the sound that I recorded because it wasn't of high enough quality, and I felt that it dragged down the quality of my video. So what I did for each of one of them is that I went Control, and then I clicked on it, and I unlinked it with its music, so that you could just delete the music, delete the sound, and it's gone. And you didn't need to worry about that. So it was the music you wanted. These are the main features of Premiere Pro I found. By using the effects, you can find all different ones. Always in grain. I did a noise to one of my CCTV clips. Just click on it. Just lowers the quality somewhat. Still, there's loads of other things that you can use, different types of colour correction, but these are just the main tools that I use. I hope you've learned a little bit, and that's how I used Premiere Pro.